So I wanted to talk about some kind of really exciting stuff that's coming up in the studio here at Space Weather, Zen Unbounded. Here is a phase lock loop based VCO that I was messing with. I do have a video of it working on my backup from a couple of months ago. So I may resume work on that. See, this capacitor has come unhooked, but that's okay. And so that's one thing. Over here is the test cam I've been using for some recording lately. And it's got 2 1/4-inch inputs, but up to 6 tracks. You can make songs. Little test cam mini studio. And here's the headphone output, which I usually use to monitor the levels while I'm recording. But I was thinking, I can run this out to a trusty TRS-80 recorder. I just restored this, cleaned the heads, dusted it and tested it out. Works great. I actually plugged in my SM58 to the mic input through XLR to 1/4-inch reducer and tested it, and it sounds great. Even over the phone, my friend said that the recording sounded as good as me speaking. So ready to master cassette tapes on this. So I may be putting out a 3-song single or EP or whatever pretty soon. So that's really exciting. And so yeah, I could use a mixer, but I don't really have one right now. But nevertheless, also I've found this old camera that isn't connected to Wi-Fi, which is a wonderful thing. So I can make videos without being subjected to AI and theft and all the implications of recording and slamming things onto YouTube, whatever, which is what I've been doing, more out of laziness, and but also because I've managed to meet some friends and acquaintances that way, and it's been well worth it, and folks that I can learn from. So, and again, we've got this thing. I'm still looking for parts. Well, I haven't. I know I have them. I think I have everything needed to put together another 5E1 champ or 5F1 or whatever. I think it's the 5E1 schematic that I'm going to use because I've got everything I need for that. So having a backup Class A tube amp in the studio is awesome, because though I have opened my mind to a little bit to trying modeling, it's no substitute for the real thing and actual pedals. I know that from experience. So here I've got some cables, and then I have a cable drawer here. And the only thing that I don't have right now, and if anybody could send a package of cables, it would be awesome. But in the meantime, I'm saving up. I only have four patch cables right now for the granny. So, but it's really a versatile thing. As a semi-modular, you can make an infinity of sounds already without even patching. Although I've had a lot of fun with patching, I just haven't made a bunch of patching videos yet. I think the Crystal Caverns patch in the manual is really good to start with, and you can depart from that and get some cool stuff. So anyway, yeah, that's something I wanted to bring up because on the restoration of this thing, I got pretty stoked. Oh, and another thing I found was my old Radio Shack mini cassette recorder. I guess it was my wife's actually originally, and it'd be kind of funny to put out a micro cassette album. I mean, how many people are really going to listen to it? But it'd be hilarious. So anyway, yeah, that's it. Bread out.